Boop. Your focus. Good.
Lol. What am I saying again?
Down. Stay. Down. Tell her down.
Opposite of shake. Down. No. Not shake. Down. Good
That's
girl.
touch.
Like, I'll bring her back.
Lol. Is that the button?
Yes, it's running. It's running. Okay.
Action.
Oh, well, I can honestly say I didn't see that one coming. We'll do.
Lol.
Your shoes, Dan. Get out of the shot. Your shoe's still in the
I
shot.
was standing there, so I should be in the shot.
True. Let's have it. Actually, let's go with that. It'll have it looking at Sean that way. She's looking at me. Say right there. Okay.
Lol.
Action.
Really?
Fucking door!
Okay, I'm ready.
Lol.
Action.
Betas.
Lol.
Action.
Oh wait, am I gonna say it or are you gonna say it?
I thought you were gonna say. Fuck!
Okay, so I'll say it. Lol. It's working. It's not working.
Ah! What's going on?
Lol.
Action.
Really?
Lol.
We can create life!
Now she's not really in the shot.
Oh, we have the first one. Meadow.
How'd it look?
Working with dogs is
Such a
always
deep.
fun.
Lol.
Action. Ah, well then. That was certainly eventful. What should we make now?
It's only one thing to create, Zachary.
Deus Ex
God.
Machina. Ah, shit.
Damn it! I had to say God, then you say fuck. Alright.
Back on the floor, you
I have to say
slut.
my line, then you say yours.
Alright.